What's up, guys? If you're seeing this video, I'd appreciate if you liked and subscribed and followed me or whatever. If you want to join the Discord, link in the description. Today I'm going to be over the trades I took. I was up like a fuck ton, and then my draw just never got hit. We never inversed this gap right here in order to me getting stopped out. Still went break even on the Express, as you see, $35 prop. Whoops, you can't see it. Let me move my cam. As you see, we went $35 in profit. And then on the eval, we went like $200 in profit, which is good, right? Still up on the week. Won't be able to pass it this week just the way the profit targets work stuff, but I'm going to show you the live execution and when I entered and how I added cons to the trade right here. No, no, no. Honestly, I'll be ready to take this on the... Good shit. That's awesome to hear, man. $55, 100, 55's 110. Two cons would be 220. I'm going to set a limit at this 2 minute. For what? 55 times 2 is 110. 110 times 2 is 220. He's been in here for a while. Might pull my fill up a little bit if we open this fair value gap. Yeah, I am on eval about to be on an express if we get filled. There's an SMT in, but I like this buy up. Are we gonna see any pullback? I want to see some pullback. No way I don't get filled, right? I'm just gonna trust it and see. And Combine's getting paid. Yeah, looking good so far. We have this SMT, but I think we're gonna go up. Just seen it so many times. Thing is, I'll probably pull my fill up. If we get a 5-minute CSID here, maybe do something like that. Would love to see us come back. I'd love to get filled. Fill me, fill me. Come on. Come on. Should I add one and see? No, trust the fill, Wyatt. Trust the fill. We should hit that 2-minute. For what? Yeah, I mean, I just trade a bunch of them on, like, whatever I'm on. I kind of realized I was just being ignorant, and there's really no reason not to when you can just trade, like, 20 of them. We never got a 5-minute change state to the downside, which should. 15-minute respected. I think the 30-minute got down and respected it. Retested the hourly. 3-minute change in the state. Haven't got the 5-minute yet. It looks pretty good. 15-minute is a 1-minute maker buy model, which would be what we're dealing with right now. I know this is pretty good. I'd be honestly open to adding them. Standard deviation's pretty clean. You have your like sell side taken right here. Right, sell side taken. It's a pretty ES is buying good too. ES got 5-minute change in the state. Very, very confident in this, to be honest. What up, Benny? The high at 840 high, basically the data candle high. I have this at standard deviation right now just to see if we get an extra little pump. I don't think there'd be. I mean, we have this SMT, but I don't think there's a reason for us to turn around. Every order flow is very bullish. We haven't been. Looks like we might open up a 15-minute. But this 15-minute wick looks pretty pure. We retapped the hourly too. I'm a big fan of this setup, I'm being honest. ES looks really good. I'd be willing to add one if we get like some confirmation and I can pull stop to like break even almost. But yeah, I'm basically just targeting this area. Got the pullback I wanted. 3-minute change in the state. We're just missing 5-minute change in the state, but technically like the delivery hasn't been changed to the downside yet because we haven't, broke down here. Yeah. Just hopefully we don't get like, I don't know, I don't think we'd put in another SMT. I don't know if there'd be a need for that. ES looks really good too. ES is going to create a 5-minute bullish fair value gap. I'm going to look for an opportunity to add one. Like, what's the stop here? $90. And what would that be from like here? 90 plus another 100, 190. There's no news at 10. Carter 6. This Lil Wayne album kind of fucks. So that's 10 a.m. Hourly close looks good. Continuation model. Continuation idea. I kind of just want to see a close above this. Probably this is the imbalance we're looking at, right? Give me like a 1 minute fair value gap, and I can add a limit on that, and I'll probably pull my stops up to like below this 2 minute. I'm not going to be greedy. That's greediness. I'm just going to be right here for now. Kind of literally something like this. We opened up a 15 minute, didn't we? I don't think it matters though. We'll see. I don't think I should be break even. I think I'll watch these high right here. I'm not going to get fearful out of this trade. I think just once we get a little higher, we'll start to see a lot of speed is kind of my analysis here. Just because this is kind of like a low resistance area. We're just in a weird area right there. So that was a tap of that 15 minute. We'll see if we should have went break even. I don't believe we should have. I really don't care about that 15 minute at all. Yeah. Let's see if there's a place I want to add one maybe. We just got to break this imbalance is what we're struggling with. I'd really love to see this like 5 minute continuation changing the state here. Yeah, ES is looking good. Starting to see some wicks though, not a fan of that. Yeah, so yeah. We haven't tapped that yet. Literally other than that we look good though. The model's clean in my opinion. Yeah, exactly. This is a clean market maker bot model in my opinion. We might SMT some of these lows internally. A little like stop rate right here. It's clean though. I'd wait for like I'm gonna wait for a little pullback on one because I want to pull my stop up when I add one. So I kind of want there to be an area of like we shouldn't see back of. You know what I'm saying? Like I'd want to see some. For me, I want to see something like this, and then I would add like right here. So I don't think we'll come back here. We're just consolidating. We're just consolidating because there's that 15-minute that we hit. I know, I just want to see some displacement up, and I'll add one and pull my stops up. Squeeze some more profits out of this thing. Because nothing's really confirmed we're not going to go a bit lower. This is my bread and butter right here. Market maker model. I mean, this is that forever model a little bit, right? Like SMT, inverse. Haven't yet. We're in that weird accumulation stage right now. I want this 5-minute change in the state. I don't like that we're just accumulating, but I'm going to trust it. Looks like put in equal highs, which is a good sign. Did we? Yeah. Oh no, 10 a.m. Chop, 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 chop. I do believe we have the correct draw though. So if anything, like stop, stay at this SMT low, like it is right now, basically. I just think we might put in an SMT like that and then buy up. I'd want to see us buy up now. I want to see this bias up. I want to see this internal change in the state here. Literally kind of just like we are right now. That's soup on ES. So now that's your like protected low. Literally at the same time as the 5-minute CSID. This looks good. Want this to close strong. Want that inverse. Because we got the 5-minute change in the state. Now we're just looking for this 5-minute inverse. Everything's pretty much aligning. We should go. Almost like 100%. I don't think that standard deviation is necessarily a reach. It's the same on both. Might take 2 off at the high though. What do you think, Lana? The standard deviation's a reach? Yes, basically inverse this fucking thing. Let me know your opinion, Lana. $50, $150. It's just extra $150. Too many, damn good shit. W. I think it plays. Proud, Len. I'm very proud of you. Very, very proud. Probably could be break even now on this trade. At least close. We look really good. What do you think, Benny Gabe? Standard deviation or the high? I think the high, yeah. I know, I just struggle with greed sometimes. Like, there's no reason for me to target that standard deviation. If we inverse this, I might look to add another con. I feel like I should almost be break even now. Oh my god, 15-minute inverse 2? 5-minute inverse? Holy fuck. want to see us buy up. Then I'm going to pull stop up. $15-minute inverse. Looking for us to tap it and then continue. Not gonna lie, I might get in heavy in this trade if I'm able to add. I want to add another real shit. I don't think we come. I mean, I definitely should be break even now, for being honest here. Might look to add one. I want to see some displacement higher. Yeah, I'm definitely break even because we have this SMT here now, so definitely break even. SMT in the other direction, so definitely break even now. That's fair. Let's hope we don't get wicked out. That would suck. Thing is, I might move this down to here because, like, I'm gonna look for an opportunity to add one, only if there's an opportunity. Because this wick right here is in that fair value gap. Probably should put my demo at break even. It's funny, I call this count the demo now, and it's an eval. Bye, Benny. We should be good. ES is buying pretty well. It's just NQ is kind of slowing down. I know. I'm just like I just take the aggressive entry on evals, like the intuition. Like this is what I think is gonna happen. I should have made $1,500 yesterday. I'm actually fucking sick about that. And then today I could be passing that account, but it's not. It's all good. Disappointed in myself in that aspect, but I'm gonna copy trade, I think, and then maybe start a new 50 eval, or I'd probably wait till I get a payout, then start a new 50. I think what my plan is, I'm gonna try and pass this eval I have, copy trade these two 50Ks, wait for a payout, get a payout, buy one 150K, or maybe two, and then I want to have two 50Ks and three 150Ks is my plan. Or maybe keep just stacking the 5Ks. Like, I'll copy trade the expresses and then like slowly like individually trade the evals and then like keep adding them to the express lineup. That makes sense. Yeah, I think I will until I think once I max out 550Ks, I'll I know I'm so upset that I should not have lost as much as I did yesterday. If we create a 1-minute imbalance, this is what I'm gonna do right here. We create this 1-minute imbalance. I'm gonna set a limit right there. And then once that gets hit, I'm gonna pull this up like this. And call it a day. I'll be able to secure an extra, extra 140 with potential of securing 3390 with the potential to lose, make 15. So basically break even. Then I'll hop off. So now I'm gonna go stops here, and I'd be up 288. Secure 790.
1K. And I think this is smart. I really want to make 1K, but there's really nothing I wouldn't want to see back all the way here. We have this inverse here that's protecting us. You know what I mean? I feel like we should fly above this area right here. So I'm still following my rules and break even. My original entry was what? Right here. So I kind of pulled my entry up a bit. But might add one on the combine to make it exciting. So now I'm just gonna see what this shit hit. I'm gonna chill here again. I just want to see 1K so bad. I'm definitely gonna take it all off like here. What is 3 secure there? I feel like my position management in this trade was kind of insane. Looks like the higher time frame standard deviation, I think. Holy bread, 1,500 bucks. Holy bread. Sick. This is where I struggle, Gabe. This part of the struggle point is on winning trades. I have this thing of greed where I just want to get max amount of profits. So like I'll put my TP like at the standard deviation instead of just the draw on liquidity. Because I just want to make more money. Because it's just straight greed. That's all it is. We even broke above this right here. We really shouldn't retrace. No, I know. Trust. The only way I let myself do anything like that is if I either take 3 off here and then like have one runner. But these are my really only profit targets, so I don't really do that. I just agree with all this. And sometimes I look at the order flow like, wow, we're so bullish that like, how much, like, once we take these highs, like, we have no reason to continue lower, you know what I mean? Unless we're going to put in high in the week, which could be the case, which is why I should take profit at the high. I probably could get a journal entry going. Anybody have any questions? Talk about anything? Or?
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, no, yeah. That's one thing I'm excited about is because like the people that like joined when I like didn't have any proof or stuff like that are gonna get like massive benefits for being like, you know what I mean, like loyal. I guess you should say cool for just being good people. Yeah. Exactly. I just love helping people. Okay, there's no world where this doesn't play. I just don't know if my stops shouldn't be in an area to get stopped out. Inverse 15 minute. 15 minutes about to open. Man, this shit here crazy. Stupid bitches say we killed my and say they called him something. We don't reverse here, do we? No, trust it, Wyatt. Trust it. Everything. No, literally. Even he overcomplicates it sometimes, though. But he's like Justin Werland. He's so smart. Like, not everyone can trade like ICT and have like 17 concepts and different things. Like, I got a piss real. I'll be back. Oh. Yeah, like, I don't really want to get back on social media until I'm launching a personal brand. Honestly, I'm gonna have to hop off here soon, which is unfortunate because I want my trades to play out so I can post these live recordings. But like, I'm actually so pissed I did that dumbass, retarded ass, fucking dumbass, fucking shit yesterday on this account. I just took 2 like losses right after market open, like a retard. I'm always playing my songs, yeah, bitch. And so they let a guy say so. Oh, my son, 10:45. I'm gonna journal. Like, I was terrible. Thing is, like, I have work today, and now I want to just sit here and watch this, but I need to get moving. I've been doing those phone videos where you like record piano. You know what I'm talking about? Internal high taken. Order flow so bullish. I mean, look, come on, let's be real. Let's not get FOMO'd out. Right, Gabe? You think I'm fine, or should I secure some profits? No, I think I'm fine. I sell dog, and I'm not. Just gonna let this play out. We inversed it. I don't care. I done dumped on. I mean, technically 5-minute change of state, but if we get a close above there, I'll probably pull my stop up. Yeah, I mean, I'm at break even, so I'm not that upset. We have this 15-minute. No, I can. This is a problem I have too. I get in a trade and like I just see like I get like, oh my god, I get too zoomed in and I'm like, oh my god, we're gonna reverse. But like zooming out, we look really good. You know what I mean? Like we're gonna get a clear body close above here. I mean, 4 hours just buy up. 1 hour 15-minute. 5-minute is very strong right here. But yeah, I am gonna hop out of here. I gotta go run, have some fun. But yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow. I'll be live tomorrow. You guys gonna be here? No 10 a.m. news, so we'll be live at. Yeah. Unless it's about to hit. Let's see if we get some volume. Because I'd love to just get my recap and recording done so I can go start my day. Because I got work today, so I don't got unlimited time. I might leave my shit. No. Watch, we're just going to get a spike of volume. That's what the street's like. I'm not going home. I don't think it's valid to move my stop up just because we could retrace it at 15-minute. Unless I'm going to move it up to $200 so I could secure the winning day. The idea of trading, like maybe like junior year, I got into options a little bit. Junior, senior year, I messed with options a little bit, but I didn't learn like ICT until like know what's funny, Gabe, is my trading still doesn't feel real. This here lifestyle. I'm on the top of the Mount puffing on cloud. I'll just come post my recording from my room. Oh, down the lead. Sometimes I think I'm being greedy holding till the high, but like I need to trust my rules and stay true to my draw and liquidity. Alright. I'll catch you boys later. I might just leave my desktop recording. No, I mean, it doesn't matter. You see the entry. I'll show people later. I'll catch you boys later tomorrow. Make sure I got everything set. Break even. Break even. I do nothing, but I gotta do it for the come up. Pay the kid. But yeah, I'll see you boys later, okay? That's fine. Yeah, I mean, in the early journeys, it's better to trade with people. Just to understand. Will you be here tomorrow, Lilac? Yeah, I'll do so. I'll catch you boys later. Have a good day, you too. Bang. All right, so now I'm gonna do a little trade recap. Kind of what my bias was, how I was going into the market, what I was seeing, you know, all those goodies. So starting out, right? We'll erase all this shit. So you gotta like look at what is the market giving you and what is being respected and what's being disrespected, right? So first I went to the daily and I was like, okay, a little bit bearish on the daily, right? 4 hour, kind of bearish, kind of bullish. Not, I mean, bearish order flow, but other than that, or bullish order flow, but other than that, nothing really. Let me make my camera a little smaller. Bullish order flow, but nothing really. And then like on the hourly, I'm like, okay, we have this gap down here, respected. We did take buy side, but we're still respecting this gap down here. Nothing crazy. You know, we closed above these highs, kind of a continuation pattern. So at the 15 minute, I'm like, okay, this is what I'm looking for, right? So we have, before we do this, right? I'm looking, I said, okay, we have this big 15-minute imbalance right here. Big bullish 15-minute. In order for me to be bearish, I need to see this get inversed, right? This has to get inversed for me to be bearish. If I'm going to be bearish, this needs to get inversed. Kind of a simple concept, right? So I mark out my, 950, right? We put in a low. We come down. We SMT this low right here, right? We put in an SMT. What is SMT? Smart money reversal. Where do we expect to go? Buy side. 15-minute PD array, 1 minute market maker model, right? 1 to 3 minute. Look at this. This is a fucking one of the purest market maker models ever. Don't know how it didn't play out if I'm being honest. Like, this is a picture perfect. You see, you have sell off, consolidation, sell off, reversal. You have reversal. Then you have, you get your instant inverse in like 2 candles. Like that. So now let's show you where my entries came from. So I'm bullish, right? Because I need to see this get change in the state to the downside. We never get a 5-minute change in state, nothing like that. So now what am I looking for to enter? Well, on the E valve, I'm okay with taking a little more aggressive entry just because, I'm more risk heavy. I need more points. I'm trying to sell. So I enter the E valve like here, right? E valve trades like this, right? This is my E valve entry right here. Off just kind of like the inverse, like kind of intuition, knowing that we're probably going to go higher. Right, and then the 2-minute entry comes off of this 2-minute bullish imbalance after both inverses right here. So a little less, you know, RR you could say, but a lot more conviction. I don't know if we ever hit 2R. We didn't even ever hit 2R. And so this was the eval entry, or the express entry. As you see, we finally get a 5-minute change in the state to the upside, right? Bang. We inverse this 5-minute right here, bang. We inverse the 15-minute right here, bang. I think this is just inefficient price action. I was up around probably about like 500 bucks on the express. Like, I guess maybe take a couple cons off at a premium imbalance in the thing. But we inverse this 5-minute though. It's just kind of what I don't understand. Kind of just a tough beat overall. I mean, break even is not the end of the world, right? But it's kind of annoying because, you know, we were close to getting out. We would have been on a drawdown on the express. We're still down 347. Not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. I was thinking if I do get out of drawdown on the express, I'll probably size up a bit starting next week. I'm feeling very confident. Trading's going very well. What else? Let's see. This probably is gonna. Trading is going pretty good. We have news tomorrow, so we'll see what that does. But I just feel very confident in my setups, my conviction, everything I'm taking. I was up around 1,000 on the eval, almost 1,500, so I was up around that much. And, you know, we just get stopped out. I hopped off the charts when we got stopped out. You know, maybe I'm trying to see where signs where I could maybe. I think I probably should take some cons off here because this is kind of a consolidation range. But I mean, if my entry's here, let's see how much I would even secure. Right, if my entries are, I'm taking 2 cons off there. That's 70, 140, 280. I guess I should probably take some cons off at the 1-to-1, then hold the other 2 for here, maybe. But I think I was in before. I don't know. It's just a weird area because we got the 5-minute change of state. We got the 15-minute inverse. Like, everything was aligning overall. I think maybe some cons should just be taken off there. Like, there wasn't even a good 15-second, like nothing gets hit. I don't understand the reversal, if I'm being honest. Sometimes it happens, but not a big deal. I'm very confident in my system. My system is paying. Like, you know, the P&L might not be showing it, but my system is paying. We are seeing crazy results in the Discord. We are seeing so many things. So many people, some of my people in my Discord are having like much more success in their trading because they're following strict rules. I'm trying to implement everyone around me to follow these strict rules. It's what's going to pay you. It's what's going to benefit you in the end, and it's just the reality. So, like, I think once I get out of drawdown, I have this at like 240 because I want to be able to get in for 2 cons minimum. And then my risk on my this is 550 just so I can get in, you know, a couple cons. But yeah, overall, I'm very, very happy overall. I think we're doing completely fine. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, overall, we're just doing great. Gonna keep trading. I want to buy another eval and copy trade it, but I think I should wait. If I don't get a payout this month, like, boy oh boy, is next month going to be big because, like, it's just all flowing. Everything's coming together perfectly. I'm confident. I'm feeling good. Everything's feeling great. Going to lock myself out till 9:50 tomorrow. 9:50 is the time I like to trade. I need that 5 minute to align. And then Friday would be the after 10 a.m. trade. Like, it's a simple formula. But yeah, these are my trades. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you like to subscribe. Join the Discord link in the description. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much. God bless.